Hi, I'm Diane with Elevate Digital Marketing. So today we're going to be talking about AI and overcoming the fears of AI. So today we are on our final lesson of Module 1. We've explored the benefits, the possibilities of AI, but it's natural to have some concerns and misconceptions. Today we'll address the most common fears surrounding AI and provide real-world examples and discuss how to confidently embrace this technology to elevate your business. Common fears about AI in your business. The fear of job replacement. Well, AI enhances but not replaces human expertise. So, for example, AI can streamline administrative tasks, allowing you to focus more on your clients. There is concerns about data privacy. Modern AI tools comply with healthcare regulations like HIPAA, ensuring patient information is secure. There's many compliances for regular business AI practices. So just rest assured that the concerns about data privacy is secure on most of these websites. There's also other steps you can take, like VPN system, to help further secure data encryption. Worries about complexity. User-friendly AI solutions are designed with professionals in mind, requiring minimal training. This makes it so nice and easy to implement that it's just almost a no-brainer to put AI into your system today. Debunking the myths. Myth number 1. So some people think that AI is only for large businesses, that they're the only ones who can afford this. And that's not the case. There's so much AI technology that is cheap to implement. There's also, if you feel like it's hard to set it up, you can also hire people to set it up and then let it run for you automatically. There's just many different ways we can help you automate AI today. Myth number 2, implementing AI is too expensive. Reality is AI actually reduces a lot of your costs and can even save you one administrative person in your office, which is a huge cost savings. And just think of how you can spend that extra money developing and building out your business. Myth number 3. There's also a myth that automating certain things is going to have like a false sense of security. Well, it's not. It's actually more reliable than a lot of other systems and human error. So it actually helps your bottom line in the end each month. Myth number 4, AI is difficult to use. Well, that's a huge myth because it is super simple to use. It's actually so user-friendly that most people don't even need any computer programming background anymore. So you can apply it to almost anything. You can apply it to your website or to your funnels or to your telephone service or to your phone. The ideas are limitless. You can just think of an idea and it should work for you. So some of the real world confident boosters about AI. Well, AI reports more time with your clients and less administrative stress. It reduces paperwork with a good CRM system by 40%, allowing more face-to-face time with your clients. Now, more time with your clients definitely gives your clients a much more friendly and felt like they have been heard. There's a lot of benefits to spending more time with each client. So that helps you in your business quite a bit. Another success story is achieving higher patient retention by having things automated and having reminder calls or text messages or emails sent out to remind people to come in for their next appointment. Definitely helps reduce the no-shows and helps improve your bottom line each month. Next one, AI supports decisions by analyzing patterns improving data-driven insight, and enhancing some of the accuracies that are going on in your business so you can focus and put more money in those directions that is helping to drive your business and grow it larger. As we wrap up Module 1, remember that AI is a tool designed to empower. It's a tool that not only helps you, but empowers you. By overcoming these fears and understanding that AI benefits you and your business, you're taking the first steps towards a more efficient, well-run, profitable, and client-focused business. In the next module, module number 2, we'll dive deeper into how to implement the AI strategies tailored to your unique needs for your business. Let's continue this journey to elevate your business together. Bye for now. You have now completed module number 1.